So I don't know what that was about, but hey guys, welcome back to another lame YouTuber here, and I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. YouTube has like been with it, and then I couldn't post. I tried posting my 100 subscriber video, didn't work. If you guys remember, all my OG fans out there, aka probably everyone because my channel is big. But for all my OG fans out there, know that I posted an on the bus video. Well, it turns out something glitched happened with that video, and it like led into it. So I couldn't pretend like YouTube has like a pipe, all right, a pipe, and then there's water going up and more videos coming up. But then there was a blockage in the pipe, so then there was no more water coming up. So I couldn't post any more videos for like 6 months. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. I'm so sorry for that. I would try and post more. I don't have time, and I'm gonna try and post more. I'm sorry, I'm in my pajamas. But yeah, I will try and post more and get back to you guys as soon as I can. And all right, on to the fun stuff. We made it to 100 subscribers. Uh, yeah, my old theme song. What? That was never used in any video. But yeah, we are on 196 at this point. You guys just went from to boom. You just went straight up. You didn't even curve. You just went boom. You guys like. I'm sorry, I'm talking a little bit weird. By the way, expander. So if I'm talking a little bit weird, then it's because my expander. So that's new. I got an expander, and yeah. So thank you guys for the 100 subscribers. 196. Can you believe that? From 30 to the from 0 to 196. Yeah. I totally can't believe that either. We should be on. Well, regular YouTubers would probably be on a mil or 4 mil by now, but we're taking it slow and steady. But we are making our. It's we are making. I'm sorry. We are making our way up there, like, and like really, I'm like so amazed. Yeah, but almost on 200. Let's get to 1,000 before Christmas. Make it happen, guys. Make it happen. But yeah, I will try and post more, and I'm so happy that works now. And every single day, I will open the Lego uh if any of my friends are watching this yeah, don't say anything, but I'm watching you, Chris and Matthew. But yeah, this is the Lego and I don't know how to speak anymore. Advent calendar, yeah, Advent. The Lego Advent calendar, and I will open this every day until Christmas. Yeah, I didn't open it yet, but every single day I'm gonna open this in front of you guys. One video. It'll probably be like a minute long, but yeah, it's worth it. And Yeah, I'll see you guys, alright? See you guys in the next one. Peace.